Despite frigid temperatures, winter lovers gathered at the Ontario Place to make the best of the season. So it's very cold out here. What do you do to stay warm?
Stay active. Run, walk, just be active outside. Have fun, play around.
Hug each other?
Yeah. Body warmth.
Yeah.
Nice. And what about you? What do you do to stay warm?
I go by the fire and walk.
Good idea. And what about you guys?
Same.
The same thing?
Yep.
Dress warm, come prepared.
Stay at home.
For those who do love the winter, there's a lot of fun to be had at the Ontario Place over the next few weeks, from skating to making s'mores at a bonfire to a winter light exhibition. And if winter isn't for you, there's always the Cinesphere. Winter programming runs until March 17th. And hopefully it won't be as cold throughout the next few weeks as it was today, because it was very, very cold today. A tough weekend to be outdoors, but as you saw, a lot of people were braving these winter conditions and were actually making the most of it. And that's probably the best way to get through it, opposed to sitting indoors and watching Netflix, which I am guilty of doing. But anyway, if you're wondering what the rest of your day looks like, well, tomorrow at least, things should be relatively dry here in the GTA, but it's going to be quite chilly. We've got a little bit of flurries and snow over Lake Ontario during the morning, but that's not really going to affect us. And then on Tuesday, there is a 30% chance of flurries, which we are seeing on the Futurecast map, but things should be clearing up as the afternoon progresses. You'll have a little bit of cloud coverage, but at least it's going to be relatively dry. And as for tomorrow, around 8 a.m., we are seeing temperatures around -7, but with the wind chill feeling more like -16. So it's going to be a day where you're really going to need to bundle up again, maybe wear an extra sweater underneath that parka. And then around the afternoon hour, -4, with the wind chill feeling more like -13. And then our daytime high tomorrow is -2, which you'll be seeing around 4 p.m., and that is our seasonal average for this time of the year. So we are pretty close to what it should be like. It'll be a touch warmer tomorrow, but still very cold with that wind chill in the morning. As for your 7-day forecast, a daytime high of 1 on Tuesday with a 30% chance of flurries in the morning. And then Wednesday, it's quite likely we're going to be seeing some wet weather, a daytime high of 1. And then it cools down. I mean, we got the pluses on Tuesday and Wednesday, but then Thursday we're back into the negatives, a daytime high of -4. And then a chance for some flurries on Friday. And then next weekend is looking quite chilly, very similar to what we were seeing this past weekend, but you know what? It is winter, so we might as well get used to it, make the most of it, go outdoors and try to enjoy it. Just wear lots and lots of layers. That's a look at your 7-day forecast.